Hello, and welcome to my screencast for Unit 10 using PowerPoint slides. I am located in Seward, Alaska. I live approximately 6.5 miles from the start of town, and the local airport is located approximately 2 miles from the start of town. The Seward Airport is located approximately 22 feet above sea level at 60.126 degrees north and 149.418 degrees west. My home is located at 60.175 degrees north and 149.39 degrees west, and is approximately 140 to 145 feet above sea level. During the week, I made my observations. The weather was fairly uneventful. The sky was overcast over most of the Kenai Peninsula, but completely overcast over the Seward area. There was no snow and no precipitation. There was a little wind, just a light breeze on and off over the course of the week. Using a series of weather charts from timeanddate.com, I made a condensed version of theirs and included the information from my observations. The dates are recorded in Spanish because of my Internet Explorer settings. The temperatures differ a bit depending on the day. My thermometer was located on the rail of my side porch without direct sunlight. Temperatures closer to town can be colder or warmer than at my house because of the proximity to the bay and whether the wind is blowing. Now we're going to look at some weather images from over the Kenai Peninsula. As you can see from the weather images, it is difficult to see the land because of the immense amount of cloud cover over the Kenai Peninsula. There's not really much happening until the last slide, which is recorded on March 19th. And in that one you can see that there's a little bit of a storm system here kind of starting up just southeast of the Kenai Peninsula. The result of that particular storm system over the last 2 weeks has led to us in Seward having lots of on again, off again, snow, rain, snow, rain, snow, rain, and in fact today we had snow, rain, and little tiny pieces of hail, and sunshine. The final slide of my presentation is a chart of the daily temperatures recorded from my house. As you can see, the temperatures stayed mostly in the early to mid-30s during the week that I made these recordings. Thank you very much for your time. I hope you enjoyed my presentation, and I hope you guys have a wonderful week. Have an awesome day.